103. 103, yeah, they can't have a white baseball cap on at the time. But they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had a mustache.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming in today for another video. Thank you for watching and I do appreciate you guys being here today. And I have to say welcome to my brand new subscribers because I know some of you all are coming over from TikTok. Okay, and if you are not following me on TikTok, I'm going to leave my handle down below for you guys. I upload on TikTok every single day. My TikTok account is so different to YouTube because YouTube is a little different and I upload maybe once or twice a week on here, but on TikTok it is every day, sometimes twice, 3 times a day. I'm adding something to my profile on TikTok, so please follow me over there and you're going to be learning some new things as well. And of course today I do have an unboxing for you guys, and this brand reached out to me. It took me a while to say yes because of course, you know, I'm all about beauty and skincare, but it's nice to just branch off to do something a little bit different as well. That is completely okay because it's good to have a particular niche, but you know, try something different. That's totally fine. And this is a jewelry company. They are based in the UK, and this is a paid promotion because you will see somewhere in the video it says paid promotion, and that means that the company would be paying me for any videos I do, any photos or reels that I make for them. I would be paid every single month. And of course, when the company has a new collection of any sort, they will obviously send me and like new collections to review or to post or to talk about and stuff like that. So that's how it works. And I'm really excited that I do have maybe 1, 2, 3 paid brand promotions right now, which I'm so excited about, and all thanks to TikTok. My life has completely changed on TikTok because so many companies are reaching out, but I'm very picky as to what I want to do. So anywho, this company contacted me through TikTok and wanted me to be part of a paid collaboration, and I said yes. So all of the details were sent, and of course when I got on the website I picked this beautiful watch. But first, when I saw this watch on the website, I thought, God, what is this? I mean, am I really picking this? But I mean, the website is absolutely beautiful. So this is a silver, and they had the rose gold, and I think there was another color. And I thought to myself, what is this going to look like when this comes in the mail? But when I received this watch, I was in shock. I thought, oh my God, the quality of this watch is ridiculous. This is a beautiful mesh sleeve right here. The holes on the or the buttons on the watch is embossed. This is the silver color, and the face is just, it has a good size, but this watch is so feminine. Okay, it's very girly, very ladylike for that classy woman. This is the watch for you. And I'm going to tell you something, when you get this in the mail, you will be surprised and you will thank me later. Trust me when I tell you guys, the watch is absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to leave the name of this watch in the description box for you guys. You guys are going to see some videos coming up. It is absolutely beautiful. I wore this watch so many times, and the compliments I received from this watch is amazing. I was sitting on the train just the other day on my way to work, and some lovely lady said to me, oh my God, where did you get that watch? And I just basically gave her some details. This is absolutely lovely. It feels really nice on. And you know what? When I look at this watch, I am thinking summer. This is so perfect for this time of year. Again, it is very feminine. It's so beautiful, and I love that lovely mesh design. Let me just try to get this into the hook for you guys quickly. Just like so. I mean, look at how beautiful that looks on my hand. I do have some tan lotion on my hand, so my skin is looking nice and tanned right now. But look at the beautiful watch. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous, and it's so easy to set the time. I do like the face of this, and again, I was really surprised when this arrived in the mail. I thought, oh my God, and I had such an attitude when I was looking at this watch on the website because I thought to myself, There was just no way in hell I'm going to like this. And I'm thinking, you guys are paying me this amount of money to do this? You're absolutely nuts. But the watch is absolutely beautiful. It looks really nice on your hand. There is nothing to like adjust, you know, because some of those watches you have to remove links. You don't have to do that. You don't have to punch an extra hole in here. It can fit any size wrist. It is just absolutely stunning. And trust me when I tell you, you will thank me later, because listen, I have a reputation to maintain on my social media. Not because I'm a paid content creator right now. I will be just saying all kinds of things to you guys. I will be giving you my honest opinion on anything that I am going to be talking about on my channel. You guys know that already. But the watch is lovely. The discount code is Odette01. So when you get on the website, I'm thinking it's about either 20 or 30% you are going to save. And there it is right here. All of the details will be down in the description box for you guys. It is just absolutely stunning. And it goes really well with my makeup today, which is very little. It goes well with my hair. It goes well with my red top, which is from Temu, by the way. You guys know this already. I've already shown you this. And this is the watch right here. The watch is absolutely gorgeous. There we go. So I'm going to leave all of the details down below for you guys. We are going to leave it here for now. Again, this is a paid brand promotion. All of the paid brand promotions will be on my website. You can check it out, because I think there are 3 and there are more to come. So my life is absolutely going in a whole different direction now, where I'm going to be paid by brands. So it's going to take time to work out all the details. But the watch is gorgeous. And there we go. And I thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.